Welcome to UnfoldVideo, and in this video I am going to show you in detail what you can do with UnfoldVideo. When you log into your account, the first screen is analytics and dashboard. If you look at the left hand side, you will see the sidebar with my funnels, subscribers. So my funnels is all of your funnels listed in one place, and subscribers. So if someone signs up to your funnel, they will be listed here. Then we have create funnel options. You can create a funnel manually, or you can use an AI builder, or you can use one of the templates. Then we have domains and integrations. By default, you can host your video funnel on unfold.video domain. But if you want to connect a custom domain, you can connect it. And for integrations, we have integrations available with a lot of different email services. So whenever someone subscribes to your funnel, they will be forwarded to your email service. Let's see how you can create a funnel. Let me first click on this My Funnels. So I have one funnel available here. Let me show you this funnel first. So this is the video funnel I was using in our Black Friday campaign. And what it was doing, it was unlocking each of these videos at 1 day interval. All of these videos are unlocked, so you can watch all of them at once. If you want to create a new funnel, just hit this create funnel and you will be presented with these three options: from scratch, AI generated, or template library. With the AI option, let me show you. Once you hit it, it provides you the details of the videos that you can record or create. But it sets up everything for you. For this example, I'm just going to choose one of the available example prompts and hit this generate funnel with AI. So it creates the whole setup for me. You can see it has generated these 5 videos. These are the videos that can be replaced by my actual videos. And you can see this option draft. Because this funnel, whatever it is, it will not be live until you activate it. So first you need to active the funnel. The first thing for you to decide is whether you want your funnel a fixed one or an evergreen one. What I mean is, if you see this tab general, click on this setting, and here you will be presented with two options, fixed and evergreen. So it is about the schedule of your videos. First, let's see the fixed one. So when I select the fixed one, it asks me the start date. For example, I select this 18 December, which is today, and let's keep the UTC date and so the interval is what should be the duration between two videos to unlock them. So in this case, if it is every 3 days, so each video will be unlocked after every 3 days. If I keep this, and if we visit this page, so let me copy it and open it in a new screen. You can see the first video is unlocked, but these other videos will be unlocked 3 days apart. So today is 18th December, and this one will be unlocked after 3 days, which will be December 21st. And similarly, you can see this December 24th, 27th, and all that. So let's go back. And if I want to change it to 1, let's go back and refresh. And now you can see the date has changed. It is now 19th December and 20th December, 21st. So this is how the fixed funnel works. But if I change it to evergreen, interval is still 1 day apart. What will happen if I try to visit this again? You can still see that these videos are locked because I am visiting this funnel first time. If I visit this same funnel tomorrow, the second video will be unlocked for me. But if someone else, a total new visitor, visit this funnel tomorrow, he will still see the first video. He will not be able to see the second video. That's the beauty of evergreen. So you can use it in your workflows or maybe some sort of onboarding or automations. If your goal is to use the same funnel over and over again and in some sort of automation, then go for the evergreen one. But if this is something like we did with our Black Friday deal, let me show you this one. So it was just once and done. It was for this particular Black Friday only. So we kept it as fixed one. Once the videos are unlocked, they are unlocked. Okay, let's move further and let me show you the videos section. So this is where you can add more videos, and you can add maximum 5 videos. If you want to add more, there will be a button add add video option. So for example, let me delete this one and also this one. So I want to keep 3 videos. I like 3 videos. And you can see this add video option is visible. So if you hit this add video, you can add a video here. You have a few options when you are adding a video. You can just give a YouTube or Vimeo URL and it will be wrapped inside our player. Or you can simply give an MP4 video URL. Or maybe you have some embed code, maybe YouTube embed code, or maybe you have some different video platform. Like in my case, I was using some third-party video platform. So I used this embed code option. It's real simple. You just need to copy and paste the video code, whatever your video provider is giving you, and just paste it here. After this, you see this show pop-up. I will talk about this in a while. And then we try to keep it really simple. So you just need to give the heading and subheading. That is, this is the heading, and this one is the subheading. And this is of course your video that you embedded. And then if you click on this additional details, you have the opportunity to provide some content. So whatever content you write here, it will be visible here. And then beneath the content, you can have a CTA button. For example, if I jump to my video 3, you can see this big CTA. I'm not using any content here, but if you want, you can. And to have this CTA, you need to click on this enable CTA thing. So once you click on this, then you can provide the CTA text. And if you want, you can also have a subtext. I also want to point out this orientation. Nowadays, vertical videos are very common. So this Unfold video is not limited to rectangle or horizontal videos only, but you can have the portrait or the vertical videos as well. So maybe you are recording some shorts that you want to present in your Unfold video funnel. You can easily do that. And if you want to replace the thumbnail of the video, you can of course upload it here. And this is how you add a video. And for this CTA, we have 2 options. Maybe you want your visitor to visit some page, maybe your checkout or your sales page, or maybe you want to generate leads. So you can use the show pop-up option, or you can use the go link option. That's up to you. Let me cancel it because I already have 3 videos. Once you have added the videos and everything, you might want to change the appearance of your funnel. You want to change the font style, the colors and everything. So this is the area, the appearance. You can change everything from appearance. Again, we wanted to keep it really simple. So you just, click and done. So if you go there, we have the color palette. And from the color palette, you can change a lot of different options. For example, this funnel background. So if I want to change it maybe a little bit more darker, like this black, so you will see this area will be changed. You can see the changes instantly in the preview area. That's also one handy thing. And this is the background of the video. So right now it is light grayish, but if I want to make it let's say maybe white, so I can do it. And I can barely see the text beneath the videos. This is videos action text color. So I could maybe change it to something like this black color. Now I can see them. And then we have some options for heading, for this content heading area and all that, you can change all of the colors from here. After that, we have this layout and spacing. You can see I have these 3 videos or my videos on top, and everything is below my videos. But if you want, you can put them on the left hand side. So if I select this split left, you can see now the videos are visible on left side and my whole content area is on the right side. If you want to switch it, you can also use the split right option. So your videos will be on right hand side and your content will be on left hand side. So it becomes pretty handy to, change the content. Maybe, you want your heading visible more. So you can select, instead of showing your thumbnails on the top, you can select either right or left. It's up to you, whatever you want. Let's change it back to default one. And then we have the typography setting. So if you want to change the heading to anything, for example, this Anton. So we have a lot of different fonts that you can select from. You can select the heading font, the subheading. This is the subheading. And you can also select the font for content and pop-up headings. I will show you the pop-up shortly. And then of course you can also select or set the font size. So this is all about the appearance. And once you are satisfied with everything, what you can do is set up the URL for your funnel. So right now, if you can see, it is app.unfold.video / some gibberish character. If I want to change it, I can go to the general and I can go to the publish setting and change this slug. So if I want to change it to demo funnel, for example, and click outside, you can see this has been changed to app.unfold.video / demo funnel. But what if I don't want to use this app.unfold.video? I want to use my own custom domain. That's pretty easy. You can see this drop down. And I already have configured 2 custom domains, this unfold.quick.co and this series.frosx.com. It's really simple. You just need to go to the domains, and here you can add any domain, any custom domain of your choice. We also have the instruction. So you just need to go to your DNS and put these settings, and your domain or custom domain will be available to be connected. And you don't need to worry about SSL or anything. We have got you covered here. So let's go back to my funnels and added this one. And so we were inside this publish settings and I was showing you how you can select a custom domain. Let me show you how you can enable the pop-up. Remember when you were adding the videos, we had this option, show pop-up on this video. So there are 2 places where you can show the pop-up on your videos. One is this one. So maybe your video is unlocked. For example, in this case, let me actually cancel it and open our funnel again. So if I click on this, nothing happens, right? But what I want, if I click on this second video, I want a pop-up to be appeared. So maybe I may say something like this, get notified for the second video or something like this. So what I will do, I will click on this second video and I will enable this show pop-up on this video and hit this update video. To preview the pop-up, you can click on this pop-up and you can see we have got this pop-up available. The colors of the pop-up are controlled from the appearance, and right now it is a light color. So let's go to the appearance, and this is the content heading. So as I mentioned, it is picking the color from the content area. Let's use a bit darker, the black color for this demonstration. So now you can see we have the dark black color for the pop-up. And what happens if you want to make some more changes in the pop-up, we will see it shortly. But first, Let's go to our funnel and refresh it. And what happens if I click on this? You can see now we have the pop-up. So instead of leaving your user unattended, now you are attending the user, and you can actually, tell something about it, or maybe, get notified or something, whatever you want. Maybe you want to provide them some freebie, or maybe you have some offer where you want them to subscribe. You can do anything. Okay, let's go back to the editor. And now, since we have enabled the pop-up, if we go to the general, you will see we have a new setting called this pop-up. And this is where you control the content of your pop-up, whether the CTA button, or if you want to enable the legal checkbox, or maybe you need the name field as well, or even if you want to enable the double opt-in. If you enable the double opt-in, the system will send an email automatically. They need to verify it in order to confirm their subscription. So that's really handy. Without any email service or anything, you can do all it inside UnfoldVideo. And the interesting part is, once you have enabled the pop-up and you have set it up according to your needs, what you can do, if you want, you can forward these leads to your email service or your CRM. To do that, you will need to click on this integrations, and here you can see connected services. And you need to select a service from here. I already have connected my Grot account. To connect your favorite email service, just go to the integrations, and you will see a lot of email services listed here. You can connect your favorite one. And once you have connected it, you can come back to integrations and click on your connected service and just select it. In this case, since I'm using Grot, I can add the tags to the lead. So once someone signs up or subscribes to this pop-up, they will be forwarded to my Grot account automatically, or your favorite email service. And what you can do from that email service, you can start to send automated notification. For example, you can set that once someone signs up to your email service, you can have an automation and set it up in a way that send an email after 1 day, then send another after 1 day, then another after 1 day. And you can send these people to your funnel and to a specific video. What you can do is, let me go back to my funnels, and you can see this small button details. So if I click on this, it gives me the direct link of each of the videos. You can see this one, and with this specific ID, it is a unique ID to each video. And if you want, you can copy this ID and put in your email service, in your email automation, so you can send someone directly to this particular video. Actually, we have tried to cover every possible scenario you can run into. And once you have the leads in your system, they will be appearing inside subscribers, and we will be listing all of the leads here. So all of your funnels, leads or subscribers will be listed as unified at one place. But if you want, you can filter them by the funnel name, or if you want to, filter who is verified or unverified, you can do that. Verified means they have successfully confirmed the double opt-in. If you haven't enabled the double opt-in, so they will be verified automatically. But if you have enabled the double opt-in, then they will be unverified unless they verify the email. So it helps you filter out the people who haven't verified their emails. And there is one last thing before we end this video. If you click on your name and you click on your profile, you will see this show powered by. By default, we show a small badge. So on the lower corner of your funnels, if you don't want that, you can just untick it and save changes, and it will not be visible there anymore. So I hope this video really helps you out, and you will be using UnfoldVideo to different use cases. Stay tuned. We will be adding more training for you. Thank you.